Hello everybody, we have a Nintendo Switch which has some liquid damage. It have never been opened up, so let's see what is inside. Let's first connect the charger. Let's just get into it. 0.5 amps. Not much, but I've seen worse. We're switching to 5 volts. Yeah, something's not really right, but that's okay. I did look at the screws and it was never opened up. You see it when someone opened it up. Well, it looks like it never had been. Let's see if we can fix it. So let's just open it up. Okay, ta-da, drum roll. What will be? What will be? Ta-ta. Beautiful. I can see the corrosion already. Yeah, a little bit more than I wanted, but I think it's not so bad. Let's have a quick look under the microscope. Some damage here on that controller I see, which is controlling the charging and power management. I'm not sure about that. Well, slight corrosion. The battery may be cactus. We'll see. So, here in this area, not too bad. Mostly just, you know, the port looks actually okay-ish. We have our sticker, liquid damage sticker. Here we have a small PM I see. Yeah, that's quite something happening here. So also on the display area, fan and we have a lot of schmutz, but not really. You see, from the factory we still have that flux here, which looks like it's prevented to get under the chip. Well, not if that doesn't make it worse, but it's not like it's something has been cooked to death. Here we have that cap is a bit ugly. Capacitor, resistor, sorry. Switch, UV switch, coil, well, massive part. I'm taking the board out afterwards, no worries, so that's not something we want to leave like it is. Just look all good. We have a little bit of an alignment. It looks interesting, that connector. A bit strange here. Here we have some markings. Maybe it has been opened, but it hasn't been messed with. Yeah, that should be good. See the difference? Day and night. Good. Let's just see if we're able to power it on again. I don't know if the battery is good. Now we're starting with 0.14, which is, I think, kind of good. Maybe the battery is very low, or I don't know. Half an amp. What I would be interested is, I have another switch here, which is catastrophic, but I think the battery should be good. I thought I heard something, but probably was nothing. Hello, we're back. Some interruptions. Where's the console? It seems like it's charging, but I have made some measurements here, and it seems like we have a partial short here somehow. Let's go over that quick and make some measurements. So, one of our bad caps. I don't know why I didn't measure that properly. Now we're separated. Let's measure that again. Point 2. Still low, and here is ground. Almost 0.45. So we rise up definitely. So I'm gonna take that guy out and see if anything changes. So Test. Okay, I think audio is working again. I had a little bit of hassle. Yeah, no audio. Yeah. So we're putting this back together. This was quite a journey. We should be able to turn it on. Yes, we are. And as we know, we could charge it. That was the first thing we could fix. Okay, we have full. Nice, working. Okay, synchronized. Also here. Also synchronized, okay. Back. That's it. I hope to enjoy this crazy video. We did really spend a lot of time. I think altogether it took me about over 2 hours. We're running very smooth. Not hot. Well, we're not playing anything, so of course I'm going to test it. I'm going to try some games and stuff, and yeah, that's it. I hope to enjoy the video, and please feel free to subscribe down there somewhere. And if you want to support me and help my channel, that would be very nice. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Goodbye.